Hello viewers, welcome to Infotainment channel. Are you getting trouble with not getting logged into your Facebook account without phone number and email address? Have you forget your login phone number or email address? No worry, this video is just for you. Okay, let's get started. You need to have your Facebook page URL means uniform resource locator, which you can find from your Facebook connected friend profile. I have also already searched from my friend's profile and get my URL, and then copy the URL and just paste in the email or phone number box as shown in the video. After you paste it, and then put your password you remember, and if you don't, please reset it, but I remember my password. Likewise, you can log into the Facebook account without your phone number and email address just from a URL of your Facebook profile page.
Hello viewers, I hope the video was informative. So by this way you can get log into your Facebook account with your Facebook profile page URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share to get more informative videos like this. Stay tuned.